You ever wonder how some people turn one idea into $100 million? No magic, no luck, just models that print money. Alex Hormozi's book, $100 Million Money Models, released in August 2025, didn't just sell, it exploded. 2.9 million copies sold in 24 hours. Entrepreneurs went crazy. Businesses doubled their income overnight. And Hormozi, he became the undisputed king of scaling. But what's inside this book that made the internet lose its mind? Let's break down the real $100 million blueprint that can flip your business from broke to booming. Alex starts with a gut punch. Most businesses don't fail because of bad products. They fail because of broken money models. You can have the best service in the world, but if your first 30 days don't pay for the cost of acquiring a customer, you're running a charity, not a business. He teaches if you spend $100 to get a customer, make $200 back in 30 days, or you're bleeding. It's brutal, it's simple, and it's true. That one rule flipped thousands of failing businesses into profit engines. Here's where it gets juicy. The 4 offer types that every $100 million business uses. Attraction offers, irresistible deals that pull people in like gravity. Upsell offers, when someone buys, give them more value, not discounts. Downsell offers, if they say no, don't let them walk. Give them a smaller win. Continuity offers, monthly subscriptions or memberships that build predictable income. Imagine a gym that makes its entire rent before the first class starts. Because of the way it's structured these offers, that's what Hormozi teaches. You don't need more customers. You need better offers. Now this part feels like a movie. When the book launched, Hormozi didn't sell it. He engineered it. A global live stream event. Millions of free PDFs dropped online. Bundles, giveaways, community challenges. The result? $20 million plus revenue in 72 hours. From a book. Every marketer was watching in shock, whispering, he just used his own playbook. On his own book. It was the most meta launch in business history. Here's the gold. Hormozi shows how to map your business money flow, draw your customer's journey, find where you lose money, fix the leaks using these 4 offers. He says, your first sale should buy the next customer. That's how you scale infinitely, without burning your ad budget. He even gives templates, formulas, and frameworks inside the book. It's basically a business MBA in 250 pages. $100 million. Money Models isn't just a business book. It's a reality check. It tells you how to think, how to structure, and how to print predictable profit. And if you think it's just theory, remember, this man built a $200 million portfolio by doing exactly what he teaches. So the question isn't, does it work? The question is, will you use it? Smash that like button if you're building your first $1 million offer, and comment below, what's your next money model?